Everybody, welcome back to my channel. As you can see from the title, I had got a new packaging from Big Sean, and I'm going to do my unboxing. My dog won't leave me because he thinks my balloons are attacking me. It's supposed to be like my little backup for my background setup, but he does not understand. He's like, what's going on? Why they're so close? Look, so he probably gonna do the video. Ow! I'm okay. Okay. Real quick, so this merch is actually from Big Sean's last album, well, his new album, Detroit 2, and I think this album came out in September, if I'm not mistaken. So I ordered this stuff a long time ago, and it literally just got here probably like 3 weeks before Christmas. But this is like after Christmas, and I'm just opening it now because I finally got some time. I got some time off of work, so I'm gonna open this up with you guys, and yeah. I kind of forgot what is in here. Hopefully I don't got my address. It's still gonna got my address on here. Oops. But let's see what's in here. Ooh. So I got a Detroit 2 dad hat or trucker hat. Oh, won't fit my big head. I don't know why I need to adjust it. I don't even know why they even adjusted. Okay. I like this. My balloons and stuff is in the way. They got the little net on the bag. Okay. I like this. And I got another hat that says Don Life. I think I ordered this one for my brother, but I might keep both. We'll see. And like I said, I ordered this stuff a long time ago in September, and it's just not great in here. I understand it was like COVID and stuff, so it's really nice. It's like a foam. Oh, this whole thing is foam. I like it. And then the back, isn't that it? Which one I like better? I kind of like, I don't know. I like both of them. They both give me different vibes. And last but not least, because I didn't order a lot of things, I only ordered 3 things. Oops, my balloons. They went flying. I ordered a hoodie. I honestly forgot what I ordered, to be honest. I don't even remember ordering this. Okay, so this is the front. It just has, you know, Detroit 2 with the people on the front. Let me move this out the way so you can see it. This is cute. I love it. But baby, I think this is why I ordered it. The back. Woo! Yes, I love a good rose. Some roses. You got the D on there for Detroit. Big Sean. I'm a Big Sean. Big fan. Oh my God, I love this so much. I need to see how this fit on me. Hopefully it fits. You just put this on. But I'm going to show y'all. I'm going to stand up and show y'all a better view. But, oh, this is cute. So they're in the middle of my chest. And it says Detroit 2. And it comes down. It feels very nice and very, oh my God, this is so snug. Why didn't I been open this? And in the back, this is what the back is giving. Yes, I like this. I really like this. Thank you, Big Sean. Even though I paid for it, but thank you for the new merch. I love this. Okay, I'm about to show the rest of my videos in my sweatshirt. So hopefully you guys enjoyed this video. Peace out.